Hey guys, what's going on? Hope you're having a great day. Your old buddy Tim, back with another update. This one is on the new project house. Now, I've shown you this house a couple of times. We've walked through it, but we finally have our plan together on exactly what we're going to do here. So I thought I would kind of walk you through the process and just show you what we're going to do. So you'll remember this house. We walk in, there's a garage conversion here that has a fireplace. In this room, basically, this is going to be flooring, paint. We will replace the light fixtures. We're going to take out these built-ins and just clean this room up considerably. The fireplace is good to go. We will, of course, clean the brick, make sure everything works good. We'll clean the door there and get this done. We'll come in and make sure all the windows are good to go. When they did this conversion, they built the floor up and ran air ducts here. So we do have HVAC in this area, so it is included as a heated and cooled space. We will probably do a linoleum. This is not a high-end flip, but we'll do a vinyl or a linoleum coming through this room into the kitchen. The kitchen is going to be a complete gut. Everything in here is going away. We will close this off. You probably saw this in a last video. These old houses, for some reason, they always put this pass-through. That's a bedroom right there. So what we will do then is, to make this work, is we are going to close this wall off. Boop. We will bring the refrigerator will be over here. We will get rid of all of these cabinets. The sink will remain. We'll put in the dishwasher there, move the fridge here. We'll just have an oven stove here and then maybe some uppers. So I think that will make this room look a lot bigger, make it more functional as a kitchen. And again, we're going to close that off and the fridge will go there. This wall we're going to open up. This is separating the dining room from the kitchen, but we will, let me back up here. So we're going to open that wall up completely. We'll put a header there, open that up. That is going to give us an open floor plan from the dining room into the kitchen. So if we go in here, you'll see it from this side. That wall will go away. So when you come in the front door here, you will have an unobstructed view. This is going away as well. They used to put these partition walls in these old houses, so that will go away. This will open up completely, so when you come in the front door, immediately you've got a big living room here. You'll have this unobstructed view into the dining room, into the kitchen. So I think this is going to be awesome. Now, one thing I was concerned with is we do have the original hardwoods in this house. They're in great shape. I mean, there is only, I think, one bad spot in the entire house. So what we're going to do, of course, when we take this wall out, we're going to have to do some patches there. The good news is these hardwoods are in all of the closets. Boom. So here's what we're going to do here. Let me back up and show you. They put a coat closet here. What we're going to do is we're going to take that out completely. That'll take about all the way over to just the other side of the door. That will go away, that entire corner. That's going to open this up much more. We will, again, we will do some patching to the floor there. We've got hardwoods here and in other closets that we can repurpose. So when we do that, again, open up this entire area flowing from the dining room will flow into the living room, and that will be gone. So you're going to have another, probably another 6-8 square feet of space, which I think is going to make a big difference. All right, so in here, of course, we will do refinish the floors, new paint, new trim, new electrical. We'll replace all of the plugs, all of the light fixtures. And the good news is this house was built before popcorn was in vogue. So the ceilings are good. But again, this entire corner here will go away, and we've got wood to patch the floor. All right. So in here, This is the third bedroom. We will seal this off. All of this paneling will go away. We will sheetrock in here, refinish the hardwoods. Got good closet space there. Of course, all these old intercoms and that crap's going away. And new lighting, new plugs. So you'll have a nice bedroom here. This return grate in the floor. I hate those things. I fell through one when I was a kid. We are going to relocate that. It's going to come out of the floor and we're going to install it in that wall. Okay, so that wall is actually the back of a closet in the bathroom. So this will go away, and again we will repurpose all of the hardwood that is in the closets. We've got a considerable amount. We will be able to patch that, sand it, and make it look fantastic. Right? So here's the hallway bathroom. First thing we're going to do here is move this door. And I talked about this in a prior video. You'll notice that the door is off center and it's kind of blocking the closet, and then you've got the vanity right here. We're going to move that door over more to right here. We'll have the door open the other way, and then in the closet here we will build a box there for the new air return, and of course redo the closet. In here, it is more of the same. We will be repainting. We're probably just going to repaint this tile here. The bathroom looks, the tub looks really good. I think we can just clean it and save that. So all of this will be painted. New fixtures, of course. And then we will replace this toilet, this vanity, this mirror, this lighting, and then the floor. All right, and of course, all the new air grates will be put into place. We are doing a new HVAC system here, so it's going to be great. Moving that door over is going to make just a heck of a difference. And so going back here, we got a big closet there. Second bedroom. This is the only area here where we have to worry about really doing some heavy sanding on these floors. Like I said, they'll be refinished. They'll look beautiful. Paint, lighting, flooring. Good sized bedrooms. Now this is the master. Now here's where we are getting really creative, and I'm just very excited about this. This house has the full bathroom there. It has a half bath here. What we are going to do to make this house more appealing to buyers is we've got this closet here, and it's really deep. It goes 2 feet that way, it goes way back there. What we are going to do is we're going to open this wall up, take all of this out, and we are going to put a shower insert. And we've got enough room to do that because of this closet here. So we're going to come back maybe to about right here. The other side of this wall is that little coat closet in the living room that we're taking down. So from about there to about here will now be a walk-in fiberglass shower insert. Of course, again, with paint, flooring, new toilet, new vanity, new lighting, new everything. So that's about it. We've got, and I say it's about it, it's a lot of work. It's going to be a pretty big job, but I think it's going to be really super nice when we're done. This house has a great yard. So we are outside. A couple of things we've got to do. I'm not going to walk back, but you can see there's that big giant tree there, and this one here is, we're going to take those out, ground those down. There's a fence there that can be moved all the way back out another 12 feet and open the yard up. So that's what we're going to do. So not a whole lot of landscaping in this house, not like the Leather Tree house where I just spent 12 grand on landscaping. This one we will remove some bushes. We've got some trees to trim. But by and large, most of the work on this house is cosmetic. You know, we had it inspected fully. We know everything the house needs. We're going to take care of basically everything. Again, the bigger expense is going to be the HVAC. Then, of course, remodeling the kitchen and those 2 bathrooms. But that's it. We are scheduled to start demo next week. And of course, you know me, I'll do a video every step along the way to keep you posted. So All right, that's it. This is the new project house. We're going to start on it next week. Wish me luck. I'm going to need it. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.